Okay, so another thing I just wanted to quickly show you is how you can create just some quick abstract designs on the fabric, um, especially using like I'm looking at these particular products. They're all like multi-dimensional paints that you can use on fabric and things, but I don't actually use them. And so what I thought is I'm just gonna do some abstract stuff on some fabric because I'm using the fabric in my mixed media work. So why not? So I'll show you a few that I've done, and then we're just gonna quickly work on these. So it's literally really a quick thing that you can do. So here's one that I did. This is the same material. This was dyed. What did I dye it? Using the leaves from the Scaevola, and I've literally just kind of wrapped the leaves in here, and I haven't even ironed it out yet. But you've got a nice pale green color going on, and all I've done is just applied the different paints, and then using my card just smoothed it over and then just added some more color, and then I've gone over in black. Now I wouldn't add any more, as like this would be seen as the second layer, I guess, second layer, yeah. I'd wait for it all to dry, and then I'd see if there's any elements in this that I might want to add stitching or add it to another piece of fabric and then stitch, or whether I wanted to put some stamps on here, and just, you know, add to the design. So I'd let that dry. The other one that I'll quickly show you too, this one definitely isn't dry yet. I've literally just gone and done, I've added just lines, circles, and a couple of squiggles. And when that dries, you know, you won't get all of this pooling. But again, I can use that in the design. Do I want to add like additional markings on here um, once it's dry, and then use it as is, or do I want to dye it again? Or add some other spray paints. So that's that one. And then this one, so those two were the same fabrics. So this one is a heavier, it's a cotton type fabric, and I've literally just gone in and I've got some sequin waste that I tried to add with some of the green. I'd splattered it before with just some spray paints. I was experimenting, but now I've gone in, I've got some glitter going on in here, and again wait for this to dry, and I might go back in and say add. I'm liking the effects that you can get with the black and just kind of lines or kind of a shape or a circle, yeah. So that might be something that I continue to do on here just to give it a different look. And as you can see, you know, it's amazing how you can just add a couple of lines and a circle and it turns into um, something else. Okay, so let's just quickly do these two bits. So this is how it starts off. It's just like a heavy cotton, and I'm literally just going to add, um, like I did, just add in some yellow, add in some of the pink. The pink, actually, I had a little accident with the pink. Okay, maybe not so much, um, but it doesn't matter. And again, this is a good way to just play. So if you want to see a longer video of me going into more different fabrics and kind of specifically showing you different designs you can get, just let me know in the comments. So as you can see, I've just literally taken the card, and then I'm going to put some more pink here. Oops, it doesn't want to come out of the nozzle and then too much comes out. Well, actually it doesn't really matter, does it? Okay, so again, this is just a quick thing we're doing. I'll show you. So once this dries, you will get the fabric will feel different. So oops, then I'll go in with, this is dimensional paint, but it's got glitter in it, and this one's red, and we've got a blue that we'll just put down the edge and the side. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing, just pull the paint in different directions, sticking. And that makes a nice first layer. I can go in with some black there and there. I'll show you what I'm going to do with that. And I'm just going to move it along there. And maybe just another little line there and do it in the opposite direction. There. Actually, so it hasn't really made much of a impact. There, so I'm going to add a bit more pink in the center and bring it down. And then I'm going to get my sequin waste, which is here, and I'm going to apply it here. So this, and then you can see once it dries, you'll see the hearts in this particular thing. So that is just the heavy cotton now, and then quickly with another piece, which is the lighter hand-dyed with plant materials, and I'm thinking I'm just going to go in with some this blue and this green. And where's the other? There it is, yellow. So this is something that you can do, you know, just play around, and you never know where the stuff you've been playing around with, it will give you some really nice results. So I'm literally drawing it down. Now you might have some other fabric that you brought which is you know, these kind of colors, or picks up these kind of colors, and you can then use it in your, again, stitch projects. Let's get some red going in places. So I want to leave, I still want to leave some of the colour underneath, so you've got elements of that. But that's really quickly a way in which you can colour your fabric, or start off with some painted fabric and then end up with, you know, collections of, like, these are larger pieces that I've spray painted and will use in other projects. I did some kind of batik on this particular fabric and lots of paint, so I haven't yet got the wax off that one yet. But as you can see, they make some great little they make some great ways in which you can then add this to fabric projects, or even, you know, put it through the sewing machine, do some additional painting on it. But all of this is recycled fabric. So go and play, and if you want to see, you know, some more videos, I'll put some on my YouTube channel. Just leave a comment, and I look forward to playing with you again.